Number 6, the organic mechanic framework, integration over fragmentation. You've seen specialists. The orthopedist looked at the structure. The neurologist looked at your nerves. The physical therapist looked at your motion. The pain management doctor gave you medication for the pain. Each expert viewed you through their own specialized lens, and each found something to treat and charge you for within their domain. Yet, you're still in pain. This is the predictable outcome of fragmented care. Modern medicine excels at isolating variables, but your body does not operate in isolation. Pain emerges from a system that has lost coherence, and restoring coherence requires integration, not further fragmentation. The organic mechanic framework offers a different approach, a systems-based method that addresses structure, signal, energy, and behavior simultaneously. The 4 pillars. Number 1, structure. Your physical architecture, bones, joints, fascia, muscles, within the tensegrity system and their spatial relationships. Structure determines how force is distributed throughout your body. When structure becomes imbalanced through injury, compensation, or sustained posture, force concentrates at vulnerable points, what we call trigger points, and these generate pain signals. Number 2, the signal. Your nervous system's information processing, sensory input, motor input, and the prediction engine that governs both of them. Pain is a signal output generated when your nervous system perceives a threat. Chronic pain often reflects learned neural patterns rather than ongoing tissue damage. Number 3, energy. Your cellular capacity to produce ATP and maintain homeostasis. Mitochondrial function, inflammatory balance, and metabolic efficiency determine whether tissues can heal, adapt, and respond to demands. Low energy state compromise recovery and amplify pain perception. Number 4, behavior. Your movement patterns, postural habits, and autonomic responses. Behavior loops encode through repetition, becoming automatic programs that run below your conscious awareness. Dysfunctional behaviors persist because they're efficient, not because they're optimal. These pillars are not separate systems to treat sequentially. They are interconnected dimensions of a single, complex, adaptive system, your human body. The framework has one core assumption. Pain is a warning signal from a system that has lost coherence. The goal is not symptom suppression. It's restoring coherence so the pain signal is no longer necessary. This requires asking different types of questions. Where is the force accumulating versus where does it originate? What motor programs are maintaining your dysfunctional patterns? What cellular conditions prevent tissue adaptation? And then what behavioral loops are reinforcing the problem? Integration means treating the system, not just addressing isolated findings. You might restore joint alignment or structure while simultaneously using a frequency therapy to enhance mitochondrial function. The framework's success metric is not how much treatment can we provide, but how quickly can we reduce the need for intervention. True healing moves you towards independence, not dependence. It teaches you how to read your own body's signals, respond to the dysfunction early, and maintain coherence through informed self-regulation. Because when the system regains coherence, pain, the alarm indicating incoherence, naturally resolves. The body does not need more isolated fragmentation. It needs reintegration.